Nice garage. YouTube, what is y'all doing today? I'm back with another one. I finally found a bumper for this car, cause I've been needing one. So I'm gonna go and pick that up today. It's like an hour away. So I'm taking my fiance's Scion to pick the bumper up. Using that car cause it's got more space in it. A little bit more practical, I guess, for this type of thing. And I didn't want to rent a truck or anything, so I'm gonna be taking that thing. Hopefully the bumper will fit in there. Pretty sure it will. And I got a couple things to do today, so we're gonna get into all of that. But the first things first, I need to get everything situated with this car so I can go pull the bumper off and come back. So I'm gonna be using this car because I feel like it's a lot more room in here. You can let the back seats down. It's a pretty practical vehicle aside from, wow. How much paper do you need? So I guess I gotta get this cleaned out before I can use this trunk, and I can show you how much space we got back here. Like, do women just ride around with everything possible in their car? Like, I have no idea what all this paper's for. She probably told me, but like, I gotta do a better job at listening. But yeah, probably gonna take all of this out. Also, I'm sorry for the wind noise. It's a little windy out here today. And voila, we now have room in here. So, get my tools in here and then we can head out. And I just checked out her tire, and this tire looks like mad low. Like, what do y'all be doing out here? Like, I'm guessing her tire pressure light hadn't came on yet, so. How do you explain this, huh? You said what? What's...
Hey, can you stop, please?
She mad at me. This is one of the most useful things you can have right here. A portable tire inflator. It just plugs into the cigarette lighter. This thing has came in handy so many times for me. Bro, look at her keys, man. I can't be riding around with these. I can't get jiggy with these. Give me my keys back.
3,000 years later.
Alright, so we picked up the bumper. It's back here. Got it all loaded up. Yeah, so we picked up the bumper. Got it all loaded back up. He's got a little GS over here he was trying to sell, but he was saying he can't. It had some type of wiring issue and whatnot. So I might be reaching out to him again and getting some more parts that as I need. But right now we got what we needed. So the bumper was pretty easy to take off one.
Yeah, you did all the work.
I sound like I'm out of breath, but I'm really not. But now I gotta find somewhere out here to use the bathroom because I gotta take a little leak. I thought, you think he'd get mad if I use it on his property. It might not be a good idea, so I'm not gonna do that. What you think, Jagon? Cause he got a nice tree right there in this.
You gotta handle your business, handle your business.
Let me clean this camera lens up. I'm sorry, y'all. The camera lens was a little dirty. Can y'all see now? Okay, yeah, we got the bumper. So we good. We're gonna head back to the crib and I'm gonna get that put on. And it's probably gonna be a wrap for this video. So it's gonna be a short one. I appreciate y'all for watching and bearing with me through these times. And kids, stay in school. Listen to your parents. Make sure you do the right thing. Say no to drugs. And you know, just do really good things. Don't ever let nobody tell you you can't. And you know, just stay in school. All right, YouTube, we made it back to the crib. It's a little later than I expected, but had to do a few things. I'm gonna clean this bumper off and throw it on the wheel, and that's probably gonna be it for this video. As you can see, it's unpainted. It's pretty dirty. It won't just stand up by itself, but that's it. Complete. Not really any cracks or anything. Only thing worth mentioning is right here in this corner. Overall, it's a pretty solid bumper, so I'm gonna rinse it off and then we can get it installed. All right, so what I need to do first is get my fog lights and side markers out of this bumper. And I think that's pretty much it for this bumper. This bumper's toast. It's probably gonna go to the dump, more than likely. So we'll work on getting this stuff uninstalled. Alright guys, we got the bumper put all back on. Things usually take longer than expected, but it's all there. Not really impressed with the fitment so far, but I mean, I guess I can't complain too much. It looks a lot better with a bumper that's not damaged on here. I got it fastened down as best as I could, and I think that should hold. But anyway, I'm calling it a night. That's gonna be it for this video finally. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you like what you see, like, follow, and subscribe. And I'll get back with y'all in the next video.